Oh. What's up, y'all? Good morning, everybody. Yep. Beautiful cloudy day. Yep. A beautiful cloudy day. Yep. Yep, it's a beautiful cloudy day. Well, it's partly cloudy, as y'all see. At least it ain't no scattered or isolated showers and thunderstorms today, you know. So irritation in the throat, okay? I mean, I be wearing my mask all the time, you know. I don't take it off. I have a towel with me for extra precaution, to cover my face with it, okay? Yep. So it's a beautiful morning. I'm about to go downstairs and chill on the back. All right. Good morning to anybody that's watching. And if this is previously recorded, good morning to the late arrival. February the 11th, 2000, 2021. Okay. And February the 10th, yesterday was Tanika Ware's birthday. Okay. Look at the weather. Well, it's partly cloudy. I don't know if y'all can see the birds in the sky. I don't know what birds they are. So it's a beautiful morning. Yep, it's a beautiful morning. All right. Yep. So eventually, this video will go on YouTube. If and the video I did the other day, singing like a maniac and freestyling like a maniac, it is going to eventually go on YouTube too. But if this Facebook Live is already on YouTube, mission accomplished. Okay. My best friend just left. Well, my close friend. So she just left. She had to be at work at the other job. Yes, indeed. She doing it big. Yeah, my close friend, well, family member. Me and her get along great. We a team. We family. We got it big. She got it big. Dominoes 7 got it big. Can you dig it? Well, I wouldn't say you dig. I don't say you dig. You know. Yep. Look at this. It must have rained out here last night. Must have rained last night for some reason. Yes, indeed, Wardy. And Valentine's Day is this Sunday. You know. Well, I don't know who watching. So anyway, I'm not gonna say who I have what for who. So I'm not gonna say that. Because if I say that, it won't be a surprise. It definitely won't be a surprise. You know, it definitely will not be a surprise. You know, it would definitely not be a surprise if I say, because my female friends that I'm cool with, that I care about, is watching this right now, probably right now, or whatever, or probably watching this after Valentine's Day. Long time ago, I used to hate Valentine's Day. I used to be up to my meanest every Valentine's Day. Used to curse people out when somebody wished me a happy Valentine's Day. You know, a miserable chump I was. Oh, Domino, why you be so mean on Valentine's Day? Come on, bro. And one girl say, "Oh, Domino, don't be mean on Valentine's Day. Don't hate Valentine's Day. Oh, Domino, don't hate Valentine's Day. Okay." All right. All right. Yep. Domino ain't gonna hate Valentine's Day. You dig? I mean, well, I'm not supposed to say you dig. I don't normally say you dig. You know, that's for the rappers and the gig scores or whatever. Okay, so oh man, so I'm not gonna say what's what. You know. Mm-hmm. Uh huh. So maybe later today I'm gonna go by the Hard Rock Hotel and show y'all what's left of it. Okay. Maybe I will later today. Okay. If not, oh well. You know. So we'll see. So today, February the 11th, 2021. Okay. All right. And yesterday was February the 10th, 2021. And yesterday was Tanika Ware's birthday. Y'all don't know who Tanika Ware is. You know, she she was my classmate in PE. You know. Mm-hmm. Not only she used to drive me, I used to drive her too. We drove each other. Yeah, we drove each other. Yep. Well, I must say she ain't nothing like Tanya though. Mm-hmm. Yes, yeah. She was a sweet girl and a ghetto girl and a violent one. Talking about Tanika, but anyway, so much I have to deal with Tanya though. So Tanya's birthday not until April. You know, what's her zodiac sign? All I know is Virgo and Aquarius or whatever. You know. Mm-hmm. So, yep. So so glad. You know what? I should have did a Facebook Live when she was here. I'm talking about last night. You know, when she came. You know. So hey, yeah, we still talking all that. Yes, indeed, we are close. We are family. Come on, everybody, sing. So later today, I think I will go by the collapse site. You know. So so to see what's left of it, okay? Because you know I want to tell y'all they wasn't gonna do no implosion, you know. At first I thought it was gonna be imploded, but a building next to it they not gonna do an implosion, and right there used to be Woolworth before they built that stupid collapsed building, you know. I wish they would have kept it the way it was, you know. Yeah, I still have memories of me and my mama. I guess it was in Woolworth, you know. She had red beans and I forgot what I had. I forgot to tell my mama that at that time. I wish she was here so I could tell her what I remembered, you know. And I remember she used to come to my birthday luncheon, you know. Yep. And not only that, I don't remember what year it was. She bought my auntie to my birthday lunch, and that was wonderful. And I'm pretty sure she watching this right now. Yeah, I don't think she remember that, but I remember it real good that she came to my birthday luncheon. When I talk to her later, I'm gonna tell her I remember her coming to my school that time. And not only that, I also remember we had a fall festival at my elementary school. My my mama came, attended, and stuff like that. My auntie came too, you know. And then I caught a ride, you know. Yeah, we caught a ride. Yep. All right. Well, like they say, good memories do not fade away. So, suppose if YouTube and Facebook would existed in the '90s, you know, yep, y'all would have seen how New Orleans would have looked back in the day, you know. Some parts of New Orleans is still the same. Some parts, you know. But the only thing different is the billboards and buildings and other stuff, you know. All right, so later today I'm gonna go to the collapse site and record if this Facebook would Wi-Fi thing would work. So if it doesn't, oh well. All right. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live eventually on YouTube. Okay, I don't know when it's gonna be on YouTube, but it's gonna be on YouTube eventually. All right. Bye bye.